Hey guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Django Unchained. This is the special Steelbook edition from Target. I ordered it online like about a week ago, and for some reason they canceled the order. So I had to go to the store, and thankfully they had like 12 copies. So I picked it up. It was $24.99 in store. I think it's more online. But yeah, so this came out yesterday. April 16th, 2013. Okay, so here's the front of it. And it includes a bonus disc, digital copy. Here's the spine, Django Unchained. Okay, so I'm going to take the shrink wrap off. Give me 1 second. Okay. And this thing comes off. Yeah. I hate these security label things. Okay, so here's the back. And the front again. Alright, so here's the bonus disc. The only thing I don't like about this is that they could have added like a little divider thing right here, so it wouldn't just be in this little paper holder thing. Because in the picture online there's like a divider, but I don't know. I guess they didn't go through with that idea. So here's the DVD. And here's the Blu-ray. I'll take the discs out. Still pretty cool though, I can't really complain. So, yep. Okay guys, so did you see Django Unchained? If you did, be sure to leave your thoughts on it down below in the comments section. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, anything you want about this movie. It was my favorite film of 2012, if you saw that one video. Yeah, I highly recommend you check out this movie. It's really good. Quentin Tarantino is the man. And, yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe for future Blu-ray unboxings. And, yep, that's pretty much it. Bye.